Now we start exercise 1.2, example number 1. So that the function f from r star to r star defined by fx equal to 1 upon x is 1 1 and on to. Where see r star means what? Is defined as is the set of all non-zero real number. Non-zero real number means every real number but not zero. It means r minus 0. In other words, r star means here what? R minus 0. So if it f from r star to r star defined by fx 1 by x, then it should be 1 1 and on to. This is to prove. That is your first question. Second question is the result true? If the domain r star is replaced by n with codomain being same as r star. This is two questions. Okay, one by one we discuss. First we discuss here how our function f is 1 1 and on to. So I discuss again. Look at r star, the set of all non-zero real numbers, means r star is nothing but r minus 0. Keep in mind this. Okay, now for 1 1ness, how to check that procedure you know. The same procedure here apply. Let x1 x2 belongs r star such that fx1 is fx2. Now when I say fx1 equal to fx2 means what? Your function defined by fx1 by x, fx1 should be 1 by x1, fx2 should be 1 by x2, and consequently x1 equal to x2. So thus for all x1 x2 belongs to r star, fx1 equal to fx2 implies x1 equal to x2. Therefore f is 1 1 function. Now we go for onto function. Remember one thing, that when function's domain set is n or z, if n domain or z domain, then to verify it is onto or not, at that time we check rf equal to codomain f. In some previous example we have done like this. But when function from r to r means domain of function is r or you have q, then be careful, you have to use your general definition. That definition I remind you once again. For every y member of codomain f, if there exists some x in domain f such that fx equal to y, then we say is onto. So here is function r star to r star, but r star means r minus 0. It means is again r to r type function. So that is why we cannot direct find range f and check codomain f. But here we use general definition. So this way we start. Let y member codomain f, that is r star. Codomain f you see there r star to r star. Codomain f is r star. So from that we choose one letter called y. And how we have to find, what to find? Fx equal to y. So such that fx equal to y. So let's verify what is your x. So fx equal to y implies what? Fx value you are given in function 1 by x. So 1 by x is y. If 1 by x y, then x should be what? 1 upon y. And obviously y not 0. Therefore 1 upon y well defined and it belongs to domain f. Domain f is r star, r minus 0. So therefore if I take a y member of codomain f, there is some x in what? Domain of f such that fx is y. This is to prove now. So look at how I show. Hence for all y belongs to codomain f, there is x, what we obtain 1 by y, belongs to domain f such that what we check, such that fx equal to, look at fx equal to, now your x is 1 by y, don't forget it, x is 1 by y, to fx put f of 1 by y, and according to rule what is f of 1 by y? 1 upon 1 by y, 1 by y. Why? Because fx defined as 1 by x, so f of 1 by y should be 1 upon this number 1 upon y, ultimately it is y. So we get in this manner fx is y. So f is onto function. It means function 1 1 and onto both. That first part of your question complete. Now we have another questions. I remind you again. Your second question start here. Is the result true if the domain R star is replaced by n with codomain being same as R0? Means we have not to disturb codomain. What we have to change? Domain R star is now right n, and then to reply the same result remain true. Let's check. Here we start this way. Look at your function f now become n to R star because domain we replaced by n. So n to R star and fx is 1 by x. Again function f is 1 1. Very simple. Because we see that for every x1 x2 belongs to domain f of n, fx1 equal to fx2, that is 1 by x1 equal to 1 by x2, ultimately x1 equal to x2. There is no change in what? 1 1 function. But this function f is not onto. Why so? Because range f, now we can check direct range f and codomain f, because domain set here is n, as our discussion, right? So what we have Rf, according to rule Rf is set of all fx, fx defined by 1 by x. So 1 by x where x belongs to domain f. It means 1 by x where x belongs capital N. You know in capital X numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4. So you put 1 by 1. When you put 1, 1 by 1, 2, then 1 by 2, 3, then 1 by 3 and so on. Is it complete set R0? Is it complete set R star? No. Why is not? Because here 1, then on direct 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 5, this type of number. And you know R star means set of all non-zero real number. Lot of numbers in R star. Here some limited numbers we observing. And that's why is not same as range. So RF not equal to codomain F. RF we have this number, this set, and codomain F we have R star. They are not equal, and therefore F is not onto. F is obviously not onto. So it is remain 1 1 but not onto. This is what change when codomain set we change by n. Complete? Okay, now see example number 4. See, so that function fr to r, fx is mod x, is neither 1 1 nor onto. Neither 1 1 nor onto. Means it is not 1 1, not onto. So let's we first describe our function. Fx is mod x. But mod x value according to definition of mod x is x. If x greater equal to 0, you know very well. And is minus x if x negative. Always keep in mind this is definition of mod x. So your function fx given by this way, x when x greater equal to 0 is minus x when x less than 0. Now we verify whether it is 1 1 or not. Here function defined in two ways. So very clear to say f1 value, what is one number? Positive. So f1 value obey this rule, there is x, so f1 should be 1. Okay, now we take negative 1. Negative 1 at that time what? F of minus 1. Because of negative 1 we use negative rule, this one. So at that time minus x we have to write. So what we write for f of minus 1? Minus of minus 1. Ultimately it is plus 1. So what you see, f1 and f minus 1 both are equal because both have value 1. But 1 not equal minus 1. And therefore f is not 1 1. I hope you clear. Next, how it is not onto? It is obviously not onto because of fx is mod x, and mod x cannot be negative, is greater or equal to 0 for every x in R. This is what you know about this mod x. That means a range of function is only having positive real number or 0. You write either R plus union 0. or you can write start from 0, close interval 0 to infinity open. In short, it is not full set capital R. In your capital R, codomain set, here F is R, which means consisting negative, positive, all types of real number. Whereas in RF here only positive real and 0. It means RF not equal codomain F, and therefore F is not onto. I hope you clear it. Next example number 5. See number 5. Question 5. So that signum function, last year you have signum function, f R2 are given by, if you forget it, you remind this one, fx is 1 if x greater 0, fx is 0 if x 0, and fx is minus 1 if x less than 0. This function, this type function called signum function, is to prove here neither 1 1 nor on 2. Mean this function also not 1 1, not on 2. Very easy this one, because you see fx value we write always 1, whatever x positive, you choose 2, 3, 4 number, whatever you like. Suppose I take 2, so what I write f of 2 value, because 2 positive, it follow this rule, f of 2 value 1. If I take 3 positive, f of 3 also 1, and ultimately f2, f3 both are same and 1, because 2, 3 positive. And that's why f2 is f3, but 2 not 3, and therefore f is not 1 1. And why it is not on 2? Very simple. Your functions rule define only in 3 ways: positive, then 1, 0, then write 0, negative x, then you write minus 1. Means you have functions value either 1 or 0 or minus 1, not other value. So RF should be only set consisting 3 member, minus 1, 0, 1. And so is not equal to codomain F, that is not equal to R. And obviously therefore F is not on 2. Right? And now next number 8, example 8. Now in example 8 you have to take care, because here not single element, we have in order pair forms. So look at, let A, B be sets so that F from A cross B to B cross A such that F of order pair AB is equal to order pair BA. Look at, function rule is what? F of AB, then write BA. That means interchange A and B position. Is bijective function. Bijective means 1 1 and on 2. So therefore we have to check whether it is 1 1 or not, on 2 or not. If both, then we say it is bijective. See here we have A cross B to B cross A. Means in domain function F we have every member in order pair, and in codomain also every member in order pair form, because cross product, last year how to write cross product. So now we have A member of A, suppose, B member of B. Can you reply or not? AB belongs to A cross B. This is definition of A cross B. To write A cross B, we have to write set of all order pairs by taking first member of order pair from set A and second member from second set B. So that's why if I call A member of A, B member of B, then which order pair in A cross B? AB. And which order pair in B cross A? When you go for B cross A, you choose element first from B, to BA. See this, AB in A cross B, but BA in B cross A. I hope you clear it. Okay, now we go for 1-1-ness. For 1-1-ness, what definition? We choose x1, x2 in domain such that fx1 equal to fx2, and we prove x1 equal to x2. This is simple definition. So here we take 2 member of domain function, domain set of function. Domain set of function A cross B. So we have to choose not ordinary member but order pair members we choose. So let order pair AB and order pair CD belongs to domain F, that is A cross B, such that f of order pair AB equal to f of order pair CD, just like fx1 equal to fx2. Here not we write single member because of domain set is not single one, it is A cross B. So always keep in mind. So now what is f of AB? Your rule of f of AB read. It is just BA. So here what we write f of AB? BA. What we write f of CD? Obviously DC. That means these are two order pairs equal. So what meaning of these two order pair equal? Equality of order pair definition, remember. So B must be equal to D, first member equal, second member equal, then we say order pairs equal. So these are equal when B equal to D and A equal to C. And our aim is to prove when FAB equal to F of CD just implies AB equal to CD. So let's check what is AB value. So A is C, to write C. B is D, to write D. So can you get or not AB equal to CD? Definitely. So now we reply, thus for all AB and CD, member of A cross B equal to domain F, f of order pair AB equals f of order pair CD implies AB equal to CD. That is f of x1 equal to f of x2 implies x1 equal to x2 type result. Therefore f is 1, 1. Right? Okay, now we see onto function, how it is onto or why we say onto. So we start, in that definition, single one, when let y member of codomain F such that there is some x in domain such that fx equal to y. Similarly here, let DC member of codomain F, DC member codomain F, remember B cross A, not A cross B. So DC member of B cross A means D belongs to B, C belongs to A. Keep in mind. So we start, let DC member B cross A. There is member called AB in A cross B. Below Y belongs to codomain F. There is some X in domain F. This type discussion. DC member in codomain F, that is in B cross A. Then there exists, suppose AB belongs to A cross B such that f of AB बराबर DC, means f of AB should equal to DC. ये होना ही चाहिए. Then and only then we say it is onto. So we start f of AB equal to DC, but f of AB rule what? BA. So BA equal to DC. But this order pair when equal? When B equal to D, A equals C. And that means we have either DC is BA, you say, because DC, suppose I write, so D means B and C means A. Or if I write AB, our interest with AB, remember. So what AB? AB must be CD because A is C, B is D. So can I say or not, for every DC belongs to codomain F B cross A, there is order pair AB which is equal to nothing but what? CD belongs to domain F such that f of AB, let's calculate f of x is y or not. So f of AB, but AB is CD, so that is f of CD is nothing but rule of f function is DC. So can I say or not, for all y member of codomain F there is x such that fx equal to y type rule? Definitely. Every DC member codomain F I find order pair AB whose value CD order pair belongs to domain F such that f of AB I get DC. Therefore f is onto, and so is bijective function.